What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one. This isn't going to be a long video. Just wanted to give you a quick channel update, I guess you could say, with everything that's going on right now. You guys probably already know this is a car review channel. However, what you may or may not know, depending on where you live, the state of PA has completely shut down, essentially, especially car dealerships. It's actually one of two states right now across the whole nation that is not even allowing online car sales at the moment, which kind of sucks for car dealerships. Nonetheless, did want to let you guys know that, so obviously there aren't going to be too many car reviews coming in the near future, at least until all of this blows over, and then I'll be back to car reviews once again. So in the meantime, wanted to go ahead and ask you guys the question. Feel free to put your answer in the comment section below. What do you want to see next on the channel? Do you want to see top 10 videos, comparison videos, Stangosaurus videos? What is it that you actually want to see? And in case anybody is going to say, why don't you do some vlogs? I actually have a vlog channel. It's a family vlog channel. It's not a car vlog channel. That's kind of what this channel is for, but Gold Pony Vlogs, it's actually on my main page on the right hand side, and I'll put a link in the description box if you wanted that. But put in the comment section what you actually want to see on this channel, at least until I am able to do new car reviews once again, once the dealerships open back up here in Pennsylvania. Just wanted to put this video out here for that reason alone. Maybe you guys can give me some ideas perhaps, but nonetheless, all of you guys, I hope you guys all stay safe. This will blow over eventually. Always got to take a positive attitude towards everything that life sends at you, and that's part of the motto, stay gold. So I guess that's it. As I just said, you guys, stay safe, stay gold. I'll see you in the next video.